All right, you guys, we're coming to you live from the bathroom. 2 packs. Just went to another Winnabox tournament. Didn't do so hot. Made some poor decisions, but you know, you live and you learn. Some more box tournaments coming up, so maybe we shall learn from our mistakes. Poop. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's just pop to the back. A Victini and a reverse Hypno. Okay. Hopefully we can get something. Right. Poop. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's just go straight to the back. Boom. Pow. And a Shiftry and a Hippopotas. All right. Nothing from that. Just a hollow Victini.